This recipe is from a place which is known for its palm-lined beaches and backwaters. It is a paradise of Ayurveda. This is the first place where monsoon hits. National Geography has declared this as one of the 10 paradises of the world. I hope you have guessed it right. It's God's own country, Kerala. Kerala cuisine offers a multitude of both vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. I have taken Kerala's chicken roast and I hope you will love the recipe. Let's get into the video. Let's see the things needed for marination. I've taken 1 onion, 6 dry red chillies, 5 garlic pods, some ginger, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom and 2 cloves. Let's prepare the marination. We need to fry all these ingredients. To fry, I'm gonna use some coconut oil. Now the oil is ready, so let's add all the ingredients. At this stage, let's stop cooking. Let this mixture cool down and then we are gonna grind it and marinate the chicken. I've grinded the mixture into a smooth paste and I have taken half a kg of chicken. So now let's marinate it. Let the mixture sit for 30 minutes. Then let's make our chicken roast. Now our chicken has been marinated for 30 minutes. I have taken half an onion thinly sliced and 2 green chilies. I have made a small slit in this. For chicken roast, always take a thick bottomed pan because we are going to slow cook this and it has to be roasted really well. So let's add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Let us add our onion and green chili. Fry it until the onion turns translucent. Now let's add our chicken. Cook the chicken in high flame for 10 minutes. Let's add some salt. And if you need it really spicy, add a little more of chili powder to it. Take a look at the yummy, delicious chicken. Now I'm gonna allow this chicken to roast for at least 10 minutes in low flame. So now after 10 minutes in low flame, can you see how the chicken is beautifully cooked? Our yummy, delicious chicken roast is ready. I hope you all love this. Thank you.